Hello, Immigration Nation. If you're looking to apply for permanent residence, a work permit, or a change in your immigration status in the United States, pay attention. USCIS has updated 3 key forms that could impact your process. Stay aware of these changes to avoid delays or surprises in your application. Want to know which forms these are and what you should do to avoid issues during the process? Let's dive in. First, we have Form I-485, which is crucial for those seeking to become permanent residents in the U.S. This form allows people in the country on certain visas to adjust their status and obtain the much-desired green card. So if you're on the path to residency, this is important for you. Next, there's Form I-765, which allows you to apply for a temporary work permit in the U.S. If you're waiting for residency or need legal authorization to work, this form is your gateway to employment and staying in the country legally. Lastly, Form I-131 is vital for those who want to apply for a re-entry permit or advanced parole, allowing certain individuals to travel abroad without jeopardizing their immigration process. Now, Immigration Nation, what should those who are starting their process or are already in the middle of it do? Here are some recommendations to make sure your application proceeds smoothly. Check the edition date. USCIS only accepts updated versions of these forms. Using an outdated edition could result in your application being returned, causing unnecessary delays. Accuracy and details. Small mistakes, like a misspelled name, can become a major headache. Make sure to fill out each field correctly. Consult an attorney. Avoid relying on document preparers or unlicensed individuals. An immigration attorney, especially when they include Form G-28 in your application, adds credibility with USCIS and ensures all documents are correct. Additional costs. Check if there are any changes in the fees for these forms. Costs may have fluctuated, so it's best to be prepared. Supporting documentation. For Form I-485, evidence of a genuine relationship is key. If you're applying for residency through marriage, be sure to include receipts, joint accounts, lease agreements, and photos. If your application is through a citizen child, you'll need a birth certificate and proof of the child's citizenship. Recent photos. If you're applying for the first time or renewing, include 2 2x2-inch passport photos. A small detail, but essential. If you don't follow these steps and use the updated form versions, USCIS may return your application for not meeting the requirements, reject it due to errors or missing information, which would delay your entire process. Immigration Nation, these form changes highlight the importance of staying up to date and doing things correctly from the beginning. Precision and compliance with requirements are essential to avoid setbacks on your path to residency or a work permit. Remember, a small mistake can cost you time, money, and frustration. So, if you're ready to take this step, make sure every detail is perfect and don't hesitate to seek professional help. And now I want to hear from you. Immigration Nation, did you know about these form changes? Have you had any issues with the application process? Let me know in the comments. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're in this together.
Hey, did you like the video? I invite you to watch another video where I share more tips on how to protect your reputation as an immigrant. Until next time.